In this lecture, we're going to talk still about Binyan Paal. So far we covered what is Binyan Paal Kal. So we talked about regular Paal verbs, and we talked about what happens when the first root letter is Guttural. And now we're going to talk about Ot Shoresh Shniya Gronit. It's when the second root letter is Guttural. Ot Shoresh Shniya Gronit, second root letter is Guttural. When the second root letter of the verb is one of the four guttural letters, the letters Aleph, Chet, Hey, and Ain. Verbs like le'ehov, to love, that contains the root letters Aleph, Hey, Bet. Lish'ol, to ask, Shin, Aleph, Lamed. Livchor, to choose, Bet, Chet, Reish. And lit'og, to worry, Daled, Aleph, Gimel. So notice le'ehov because it also has the Aleph. Like we had le'echol, here it's le'ehov, and we also need to keep in mind that the hey is the second root letter, therefore it will slightly change. Overall, if we will look at lish'ol, livchor, and lit'og, the infinitive did not really change from lilmod, livdok, and lilbosh, lichtov. But let's see what happens when we are going to start conjugating the verbs. So in the next lecture, we're going to talk about how do we conjugate those verbs in the present tense and what essentially changes there. That's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.